am tall enough, right? Tall enough? Okay, good.
A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. No need for safety gear. Ground crew. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
I need that right if you.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
If you.
Thank you, Nine-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I'm going to get that, I think, huh?
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! 2 Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit! Blue 5, I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Ship, everybody off. Your ship is not under jurisdiction of the First Order. Proceed to interrogation. You are resistance spies and enemies of the First Order. Proceed to interrogation.
What was I?
Keep your units together using both sides of the hallway.
Me and all the broken teacups in my head effectively won.
Straight ahead, all the way down. Last Lieutenant Kennedy.
Broken teacups. Me and all the teacups in my head. They're all broken. One.
One on the color gray. How many here?
Six.
6. I want 4 blue and 2 red. 4 blue, 2 red.
All the teacups in my head might come alive one day. And then we're all in trouble.
Colors stand side by side, shoulder to shoulder. Memorize the colors. Orange and gray inside. Orange and gray in the south. Red and blue, follow them inside after.
You need more caffeine. Okay. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna be standing right here. Oh, now we get to play the happy color game in low light. That's wonderful. They should just say the names on there, like blue, gray, well, red, orange, blue, gray. Oh, these guys are happy.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
That guy can use a colonic. Oh, I hear some noise over there. Oh my goodness. Wow, they got huge gophers in this place. You may be giant gophers, but we'll take it. Okay, where's Gray? Oh, here I am.
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? I was coming back.
Oh, hello, little guy.
Escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to
Okay,
find a
hold
way.
on. Left to right.
Reportos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Oh, boy. No. There we go. Oh, yeah. I feel naked now.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on level D.
Now they're off. Fire!
Just balls! No, not her! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the...
Good job, little guy.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Good job, little dude.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant, Beck! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.